Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to take you through a step-by-step process of designing a beautiful Raksha Bandhan poster using Adobe Express. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting out, this tutorial will help you create eye-catching content for this special occasion. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before we jump into Adobe Express, let's take a quick look at some inspiring Raksha Bandhan designs. This will help us to get a sense of color schemes, elements and style commonly associated with this festival. Next, let's open up Adobe Express. Once it's up and running, we are ready to start our creative journey. Adobe Express offers a variety of templates for different design projects. Let's select a poster that aligns with our Raksha Bandhan theme. This will give us a solid foundation to build upon. Now comes the fun part. We add a personal touch. This step is all about adding your unique touch. You can include your personal photos, family images or any other elements that hold significance for you and for your loved ones. To give our design that extra wow factor, let's experiment with filter and effects. Adobe Express offers a range of options to enhance the overall look and feel of our content. Now, it's time to add some text to our design. We will use some creative fonts to write Happy Raksha Bandhan or Happy Rakhi and any other messages we want to convey. Adobe Express makes it easy to adjust font size, colors and positioning. Before we finalize our design, let's take a moment to preview the poster. This is when we can make any necessary adjustment to ensure everything looks perfect. Okay, so once we are satisfied with our creation, let's save our project. Adobe Express lets us save in various formats. So here I am saving it as JPEG format, making it easy to share our design on other platforms such as social media or printed posters. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed following along and feel inspired to try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Wishing you all a joyful and memorable Raksha Bandhan. Bye.